Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Less for More, the show where I show you how to do amazing recipes that you can share with your family and friends, travel photography, product reviews, and much more. But today I'm going to show you how you can make a great dish with these 3 ingredients. So let's jump right in.
Ain't nothing better than watching you smile. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ain't nothing better than watching you laugh out loud, my baby. Ain't nothing better than watching you be you. Ain't nothing better than right now. In your eyes lie the secrets I don't wanna miss. Put your hand in my hand and make a fist. Grab my shirt, curl your lip as if you know. Staring back in my eyes saying please don't go. I don't know what
Welcome back, folks. So here we have some pre-cooked rice. I already saved you a step. It takes a while to make rice so that it's well done. Okay, so I've already done that step for you. We've got some tilapia here and some frozen vegetables that have been thawed out, and I'm going to show you a great way that you can prepare all these, put them together, and make an amazing dish that you can enjoy on your evening. Alright folks, so as you can see, I've already pre-buttered the pan and oil this pan. This one's going to have our rice, this one's going to have our tilapia. We're going to put that in. Tilapia. That has already been preheated. Okay. And remember with fish, it cooks very quickly. So you want to put this on medium. Alright. We're going to add our seasonings. Give me 1 second to wash my hands. We'll be right back. Okay, now we're going to take our rice. Add it to the pan here. Like I said, this is already pre-cooked, but we're going to add some seasonings to this to really kick it up a notch. Alright, I'm going to show you what seasonings you can use with that. Okay. As you know, I like to use virgin olive oil, extra virgin olive oil for nutrients, health benefits, and hey, it's great for cooking. It's just call it what it is. Okay. And as you can see, our fish is already whitening and cooking through very nicely. I'll show you some seasonings you can add to your fish to really spice it up. You want to take a little garlic salt. Just a little bit, guys, not a lot. Okay. Thing you really want to remember to add is lemon pepper. Just a little bit there. Mix that up, okay? And just a tad of emerald essence. Okay, just like that. You get a flip it. You gotta keep this thing rotating because you do not want your fish burnt or charred, okay? That's not the kind of dish we're making. We're not making grilled or blackened fish tonight. Okay? Maybe just a little bit on each side here. Flip it. Keep that thing rotating. Very important. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Very nice. Now we're going to jump back to our rice. You see it's starting to fold up here. I'm going to show you some excellent seasonings you can add to this. Now, off camera, guys, I already steamed the vegetables, so they're good to go. And I'd already de-thawed them before we started the video, so we're going to go ahead and add them to our rice, okay? The reason why you want to do that is instead of just going ahead and throwing them in some water. A lot of people like to throw their frozen vegetables in the water, but that gets them soggy, and you don't want that. You want that fresh taste, because when you freeze vegetables, it preserves the nutrients. The whole idea of eating vegetables is to get the nutrients. So we're not trying to boil that out and make a soup. So what we're doing is we're throwing it in and we're cooking it. Alright? And also by adding it to the rice, we're allowing since we haven't cooked out the nutrients and we have allowed for just a little bit of water to remain in our vegetables, this allows us to be able to hydrate the rice so it doesn't get too dry as we're frying it together. Okay? As you can see with our fish, it's pretty much done. I'm going to take that out and put that on a plate. And here you can see our rice really staying nice and hydrated, not becoming too dry here. So I'm going to show you the seasonings we're going to add to that. We're going to take a pinch of garam masala, sprinkle that around there like that. Okay. Not a lot, this is very powerful, but I guarantee you this seasoning will really kick up the notch of any dish you add it to. Okay. I like international seasonings, if you guys didn't know. Of course, there's also Emerald's Essence too. Add to that. We're going to do a little onion powder. Just a little bit. And then lastly, a little bit of garlic chai seasoning. Alright, look at that, folks. It's popping. Stir it up. And there you have it, folks. An amazing vegetable and rice dinner with tilapia that you serve with your significant other, family, friends, or you can enjoy yourself. The ingredients for this recipe usually serves about 2 people. You might be able to, with smaller portions, serve 3 or 4. Also add in the nice sangria, and you are ready to enjoy a very nice evening. That's it for today, folks. Remember to please like, subscribe, and share. This is Less for More, signing out.